EagleRidge, premier kitchen remodeling services in Mapleton, Utah. EagleRidge offers premier kitchen remodeling and renovation services right here in Mapleton, Utah, 84664. We specialize in transforming kitchens by enhancing functionality and boosting home value for residents in this vibrant community. Our skilled team of designers and craftsmen provide exceptional, customized solutions for homeowners. From the initial consultation to project completion, we handle every detail: design plans, material selection, scheduling, and construction with precision and quality craftsmanship. Our services include kitchen remodeling, custom kitchen design, kitchen makeovers, cabinet installation, countertop solutions, and more. Whether you're looking to refresh your space, add an extension, or build a brand new kitchen, we're here to help. Our team offers personalized solutions, including 3D design, custom cabinetry, and flooring options, along with expert planning and construction. We also specialize in eco-friendly, energy-efficient solutions that will reduce your home's carbon footprint. Our comprehensive kitchen remodeling services cover all aspects, from cabinetry and countertops to plumbing, lighting, and electrical work. We also offer demolition and cleanup services to ensure your project is completed seamlessly. With EagleRidge, your dream kitchen in Mapleton becomes a reality. Our kitchen remodeling process involves initial consultation, design development, scheduling, and construction. Every step ensures a smooth, timely renovation. With EagleRidge's expert design and construction teams, you can trust that your kitchen transformation will meet your highest expectations. Choose EagleRidge for your kitchen remodeling needs in Mapleton, Utah. Contact us at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate and to discover more about our professional services. Enjoy superior results and a seamless renovation experience. Kitchen remodeling provides enhanced functionality, improved storage, energy efficiency, and increased property value. A remodeled kitchen is not only more enjoyable to use, but it's also an investment in your home's long-term appeal and market value. At EagleRidge, we bring unparalleled creativity and design expertise to every project. Our skilled designers and craftsmen ensure your kitchen remodel aligns with your style, preferences, and needs, all while maintaining the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship. Our process is designed to ensure a smooth, stress-free experience. From the consultation to project completion, we ensure all your needs are met. We manage every phase, including design, material selection, scheduling, and construction. With unmatched expertise, attention to detail, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, EagleRidge is your trusted partner for kitchen remodeling in Mapleton, Utah. Choose us for high-quality, durable results and an exceptional remodeling experience. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at EagleRidgePros.com to schedule your free estimate.